Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up this Amazon Echo Glow. This is a multicolored smart lamp. So here's everything that comes in the box. Now this is not a speaker. It's not going to listen to you and you're not going to be able to talk to it and tell things. You do have to have another device like an Echo Pop or something that you can actually talk to and tell it to turn this light on and off. Or you can just put this light on a routine in the app for it. So we do have a cord. It's 64 inches long. Now it is permanently attached right here. There is a button on the back and the lamp is touch sensitive, which I'll show you that. But here's the cord. You are gonna have to plug it in. There is no battery. It has to be plugged in the entire time. That's USB-A, it will only go one way. Now this is a 5-watt output. You can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5.25 volts for 1 amp. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is let's just go plug it in. Let me give you that dimension. That does stick out from the wall about 1.5 inches. It's about 1 inch by 1.5 inches. Plug it in. Okay, so it does light up right away, but now we got to set it up in the app. Okay, so in the app, you're going to click on the little plus button. Now click on light. What brand? This is the Amazon Echo. Is the light powered on? Yes. Now it does say locate the barcode. It's either on the piece of paper. If on the back side of this paper it has the barcode, and also on the bottom of the light you'll have the barcode. And it's going to turn your camera on your phone and you need to scan it. Okay, once you scan that, now it's very concerned with the orientation. There's a lock key and then a QR code. You have to hold your phone exactly like that QR code. It's not like taking a picture. It does work a little bit different. And it's very concerned with the orientation of your phone concerning with that lock key. So now the app says that it's connecting it to my Wi-Fi right now. And it said it found it and connected. Okay, so next it's going to want you to give a name. Now the name is pretty important because give it the person's name. Because that way, when you speak to another device, you're going to be telling it to turn this light on and off. So have that name that everybody knows and it's easy to remember, so that way it's the easiest to turn this light on and off is by what the name is. Now something I'm not used to during a setup is it asked for different things because it wanted to make sure a kid wasn't setting it up or something. So it was asking to make sure you're a parent. Okay, so now I can control it in the app. There's the brightness I can control with the slider. You got to kind of touch that slider. Now I can make it brighter or dimmer. Okay, so I've turned the lights off in my house so I can see how bright it is. So touching it changes the color. I can also turn it on and off. And again, just the brightness. It goes really dim. I can change the color. Looks like there's a Christmas mode even. Now this is an on-off button. So I can turn it off. It's easy to find that button too. So if I'm looking for the button, I can turn it on, change the color, and then turn it off. And this is not very big, only about 3 inches tall by about maybe 4 inches wide. You know, the cable does plug in the back. You do need a little bit of room there. So about 4.5 inches with the cable. Now there's no threaded insert or anything. It's just got a rubber base. So just set it down. I can touch it and I can turn it on and off. But to do other things, I will need the app. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.